Guess what Mr. Producer found? Yes, it's time to wash it. Time to put the water on. I haven't plugged it in yet because I don't really want to plug it in and put the water on at the same time. I'm not going to get too wet, am I? Is that it? Is it in? We'll put it this way, we'll soon find out when I turn it on. I'm aiming the gun at you first, yeah? That's right? I am put it on. Put the electric up out the way. I don't fancy getting electrocuted somehow. I'm going to end up pulling that off. Okay, we'll see how that goes, shall we? Alright, I've been told I can't wet the green stuff because the paint will come off. I can't do the floor too much, too powerful, because the grey paint will come up. It's been down a couple of years, Screwfix grey floor paint. Anybody fancy sending me a couple of pots of free samples so I can paint it for him? Feel free to, I don't mind. So now I've got to put my lamps in. Under pressure. I haven't turned it on. What are you flinching for? So which direction do you want me to go first? So you want me to go this way or that way? Go that way. Right, let's try it. It's on. It's on. Would you like to stop it and then try it for me? So Mr. Producer sorted it for me, and now I've got to untangle my pie pieces, my hose. I spelled my name. I'm doing this the right way, aren't I? Are you ready now? It's like the steam mop all over again. Is that better? You're getting a bit wet. making waves. Mistake. How's it looking? Huh? You want to bring that way? Okay. I thought it would be coming with me. So now I'm going down this way, am I? So what do I do about the electric? Do I put that over there now? Yeah. My wrist is like, Pardon? No, I'm not putting no fairy in it. We're just giving it a quick wash. So I'll leave it now. You know how long that will take to wash off the bubbles? Your grey paint will be gone with it. floor to get all the muck off, because otherwise the grey paint will come off of it, because some's already come off as it is. So it's a very powerful pressure washer. But you know what we could do now, don't you? Because there's loads of water in here. We could test out the new Hoover to see if it sucks the water up. What do you think? Shall we go? Right, so that's my pressure washing done for today, guys. Like the video for me, subscribe to all my channels, and follow me at AnnaSexUK on Twitter and Instagram. And I'll see you all very soon.